Some boats are purchased, others are commissioned. The Sanlorenzo SD90 is the second kind. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. You've spent decades understanding what matters, not speed for its own sake, but the confidence of a displacement hull that reads the North Atlantic the way you've learned to read a room. 90 feet of Italian craftsmanship built to your specification before the first piece is cut. The SD90 is designed for the passage you've been planning. 4 guest cabins configured the way your family actually uses them. Crew quarters that keep the operation professional without intruding on the experience. And fuel tankage that makes 570 nautical miles a routing decision, not a constraint. Twin-man I6-800s settle into 14 knots and hold it for days. The hybrid-ready architecture means Sanlorenzo built this vessel for the decade ahead, not just the season you take delivery. Below, the interior reflects the conversation you had with the yard. European materials, proportions that feel considered rather than packed. This is not a production boat finished to specification. It is a specification finished into a boat. There are builders who construct capable yachts. And then there is Sanlorenzo, 2 centuries of Italian craft, applied to a hull form that takes offshore passage making seriously. The SD90, built for the owners who have already arrived and still have somewhere they want to go. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in the next review.